I acknowledge the presence of Tui Magondro, village elders, members of the respective youth clubs, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka and a very good morning to you all. At the outset, I wish to thank Tui Magondro and his people for hosting us here this morning. And I would also like to acknowledge the warm reception accorded to me and my team, Vinaka. It is also a pleasure to be here at Bukuya village, home to many of our rugby players and as well as some of the famous boxers. Today's handover program will be beneficial to the members of the 4 youth clubs present here this morning, which has a total number of 246 youth participation in the agriculture sector is to be commended. Even though 2021 has been a difficult year due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have witnessed the commitment from our youths throughout the country actively involved in farming to support their family and communities. Therefore, I wish to reiterate government support, and I would like to encourage all of you who are present here this morning to continue to work towards the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister to build a better Fiji for all and no one is left behind. I am told that some of you have already planted yangona and other vegetables and root crops, which is likely to provide you the source of income and provide enough food to feed your family and your communities. Thank you for your effort and your hard work. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, government has provided incentives for interested farmers and youths graduating with agriculture-based qualification from Fijian National University as Youth and Agriculture on our development agenda. This is critical to see our food security and to our economy as we seek to reduce imports and increase export of Fijian produce. Agriculture is a business. Farming provides employment and business opportunities for youth. This is a very glaring example here this morning. As I have mentioned, that 246 youth will benefit out of the assistance that will be given. And I would also like to say that this is not the end of the assistance. This is just the beginning. So really the ball is in your court. You need to work hard and prove to us that you can carry on what our elders has been doing all this time. And as and when the need arises, we will come and assist you. We need to identify and take ownership of the resources we own and maximize the opportunities provided by government through its various ministries. The youth will always make a difference around the world. We can only offer you the best learning opportunities to make a difference by growing enough food to feed your family and for your communities. There are many challenges ahead for this sector, especially climate change. There is more capital going into organic farming each year. And we need to keep pace with this development so we can market truly Fijian grown products with nothing but natural inputs. We have always believed that to engage with youth will give us the first-hand experience about their hopes and dreams. And that is why we have been reaching out to the thousands of unreached youth to have a face-to-face meeting and to be in a better position to understand and make right decisions for our younger generation. Youths in different areas have different needs. For example, in maritime, the youths are dependent on fishing. Here you have a different needs. And whatever you have requested for, we are here this morning to hand over. But as I have said earlier on, that as you're going to progress on the need basis, we will assist you again. So with these few words, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you so much for hosting us, and I wish to congratulate you all. We all look forward to hearing, and most likely, as I have said, that when the need will arise, we will come. I want to assure you that I can see the commitment, the intent of all individual youths who are present here, that definitely I will have to come back and in the near future. So please work hard. This is my message to the youth throughout the country, wherever I go. That gone are the days for our elders. They have done their part. It's now our turn. We have to give it back to them. So once again, thank you so much, Pinaka, and God bless us all.
Aka.